In today's video, I'm going to show you how to toggle the Format panel in Draw.io step by step so you can quickly customize your diagrams without wasting time searching through menus. If you're working with Draw.io inside Jira or using it regularly for flowcharts, diagrams, or technical documentation, this is a simple shortcut that can massively improve your workflow. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future software tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Jira and navigate to the issue or board where you're using Draw.io. Once you open a diagram in Draw.io, you'll see the main canvas area where all your shapes and connectors live. Sometimes the Format panel on the right side might be hidden, or you may have accidentally closed it. This panel is extremely important because it allows you to control layout, style, and text settings for any selected element. To toggle the Format panel quickly, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P at the same time. As soon as you press this shortcut, the Format panel will appear on the right side of the screen if it was hidden. If it's already visible, pressing the same shortcut will hide it again. This makes it very easy to show or hide the panel whenever you need more screen space or quick access to formatting options. Once the Format panel is open, make sure you have a shape or diagram element selected. You'll notice different tabs inside the panel. The first one is Diagram. When you click on Diagram, you can make changes that affect the overall diagram, such as layout options, background settings, and general configuration. This is useful when you want to adjust the structure or appearance of the entire diagram rather than individual shapes. Next, click on the Style tab. This section lets you customize how your selected shape looks. From here, you can change colors, borders, line styles, shadows, and other visual properties. This is where you go if you want your diagram to look cleaner, more professional, or match your brand or project guidelines. After that, move over to the Text tab. In the text section, you can adjust font type, font size, alignment, spacing, and text color. This is especially helpful when you want to make your diagram easier to read or ensure consistency across multiple elements. You can fine-tune how labels and text appear without manually adjusting each setting from scratch. And that's really all there is to it. By using the Ctrl+Shift+P shortcut, you can instantly toggle the Format panel in Draw.io and access diagram, style, and text options whenever you need them. This small shortcut can save you a lot of time, especially if you're working on complex diagrams inside Jira. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who uses Draw.io regularly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.